Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to install Python 3 in Linux or Ubuntu. So let's start the tutorial. First of all, we have to run this command sudo apt install software packages common. So go to the terminal, paste this command, enter and add the password. So it is installing everything. Okay. Next step, we have to install this sudo apt ppa dead snakes. Paste this command. Please enter for adding this. So this is done. Next we have to put sudo apt update. Next we need to install Python, or we can simply get sudo, so it will automatically add its version. Get installed Python. If you type Python version, what it suggests, installing zip but import and install root C. Let's install Python this version, sudo apt install Python version. Following package is automatically installed is no longer required. Sudo apt remove. It is already 3.8 is set manually installed. Already newest version. Okay. That means Python 3.8 is already installed. Next we have to manage the software packages for the Python. We have to install the pipe. Okay, so let's install this pipe. Use inner development. So we have to install this. Next look add the another command. This is also done. Let's set up the virtual environment. So I'm going cd add email. Here I'm going to create a directory. That is my directory. Okay. After that I'm going to add cd python. Okay. Here I'm going to create a my env file, environment file. I'm going let ls to check what exactly it does. This is includes bin include and everything. We have to activate this bin activate for the Python programming. So currently we have my env Python. So we are going to create a nano file for hello Python. So here I'm going to add this file print hello world. Okay. Control control O, Control A, Control Enter, Control X. So it is written. Next we have to run this Python hello. Okay. So it should print hello. So you can see the word is printing. That means we are able to run the Python files successfully. So if you have any issue in that, just let me know in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Please do like, share and comment. Have a nice day.